Now we want to use this data that we've just applied to the save zone script to tell Unity which enemies should be alive and which enemies should be dead on a reload. Okay, so to do that we're going to go back to our save load. Alright, now at the top we do need some serialized fields. So let's just create one of these. It's going to be of a type game object, and it will be enemy number 1. Let's just call it so something slightly different, a different naming convention. Let's copy this, and obviously we need 5 more of these. So paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and so this will be enemy number 2, enemy number 3, enemy number 4, enemy number 5, and enemy number 6. Alright, good. And I like to leave just a little bit of white space so that I can clearly see where one thing ends and the other thing starts. Now, if manuscript load game is true, this is where we actually want to load, switch our enemies on or off dependent. Okay, so now we're going to say if player prefs dot get int, and the integer that we want is the what do we call it, enemy 1a. Okay, enemy 1a. So we're getting that value if that value is equal to 0. Then we're going to take our enemy number 1 dot game object with a little g. Oops, done it for me. Dot set active, and we're going to make that false. Okay, so we're just switching off enemy number 1 if that's the case. We just need to repeat that for all the other enemies. So let's copy that and paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so enemy 2a, enemy number 2 dot game object set active to false, enemy 3a, enemy number 3, set that one to false, so wouldn't appear in the game at this point. Enemy 4a, enemy number 4 is no longer in the game, and enemy 5a, enemy 5, and finally for enemy 6. Great. Okay, so now if you've killed all the enemies basically and you reload the game, you'll reload the game with no enemies in it. But if you've killed, let's say, 4 out of 6, you've got 2 enemies left and you've got loads of health and stuff, then obviously you can just continue and try and complete the game. What we have to remember that if the load game is false, we want to make sure that all the enemies are alive again. So to do this, we need to ensure under the save script that we're setting all of these enemies back to 1. Okay, so it's going to be save script dot enemy 1 equals 1. Okay, and we can obviously just copy this line and paste it another 5 times. Obviously this is enemy 2, enemy 3, enemy 4, enemy 5, and enemy 6. Great, so now we've got a system to tell Unity whether the enemies are alive or dead on reload. And obviously what we need to do is on the first person controller, right down at the bottom on the save script, on the save load script, we now need to associate which enemies are which. Alright, so let's go and find our enemies. So enemy number 1, enemy number 2, and then obviously it'll know which enemies to switch off. And then finally enemy number 6. Alright, great. So that's all sorted.